Muscular tissue, 3 types: striated voluntary skeletal muscles, striated non-voluntary cardiac muscle, non-striated non-voluntary smooth muscles. Electron micrograph of muscular tissue, skeletal muscles and cardiac muscle. Electron micrograph of 3 myofibrils from a skeletal muscle, showing the characteristic pattern of cross-bending. The broad dark band A, forming of myosin and actin filaments, is seen with less dense central region H band, which is divided by a dark membrane M line. The broad light band I, formed of actin filaments, is present between successive A bands and is bisected by a dense narrow Z line. Electron micrograph of triad or tubular system in skeletal muscle. It is present at the junction between A and I bands and is composed of a pair of transverse dilated sarcotubules, terminal cisterna, together with an inward extension of the sarcolemma, tubule. Electron micrograph of cardiac muscle, showing intercalated disc of a step-like appearance together with multiple mitochondria. Electron micrograph of a skeletal muscle fiber, showing the bending pattern in myofibrils, where the broad dark band A, formed of myosin and actin filaments, is seen with less dense central region H band, which is divided by a dark membrane M line. Also, the broad light band I, formed of actin filaments, is present between successive A bands and is bisected by dense narrow Z line. Thus, the dark bands alternate with light bands, and the corresponding bands of the adjacent myofibrils are arranged at the same level, giving the transverse striations seen in light microscope. Electron micrograph of skeletal muscle, showing sarcomere present between 2 successive Z lines, composed of A band in the center and half of I band on each side. The triad is seen at the junction of A and I bands and is formed of 2 terminal cisternae and a transverse T-tubule in between. The T-tubule is known to communicate with the extracellular space and not with the cistern. Electron micrograph of a cardiac muscle, showing intercalated disc of a step-like appearance, formed of desmosome, adherent, and gap junctions. There is also multiple mitochondria of various sizes, together with smooth endoplasmic reticulum and glycogen granules. Nervous tissue is one of the 4 basic tissues of the body. Is classified anatomically into central nervous system CNS, which includes the brain and the spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system PNS, which includes the peripheral nerves and their endings, together with ganglia, both spinal and sympathetic. Peripheral nervous system PNS, electron micrograph of transverse section of a nerve fiber, showing darkly stained myelin sheath and lightly stained neurolemma. Electron micrograph of the swollen terminal end of the axon, showing the structure of the synapse. Peripheral nerve fiber. Electron micrograph of transverse section of an axon, showing multiple neurofibrils embedded in axoplasm, covered by a membrane axolemma, which is electron light. Outside is an electron-dense lipoprotein sheath called myelin sheath, covered by neurolemma, made of a chain of Schwann cells, which appear electron light. Synapses. Electron micrograph showing nerve synapse. The terminal part of the axon at the site of synapse is dilated, covered by Schwann cell. The dilated axon synaptic pattern contains neurofilaments, microtubules, many mitochondria, and neurosecretory vesicles containing neurotransmitter substances.